Imagine managing thousands of containers seamlessly across different environments. Welcome to the world of Kubernetes, where orchestration meets innovation. In the next few minutes, we'll unveil the profound capabilities of Kubernetes that can transform your deployment experience. Kubernetes, often abbreviated as Kubernetes, is an open-source container orchestration platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for developers and IT operations teams, allowing them to manage complex applications effortlessly. Now, how does Kubernetes actually work? At its core, Kubernetes uses a master-slave architecture. The master node controls the cluster, distributing workloads to the worker nodes. Each worker node runs pods, the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, which can contain one or more containers. Let's take a closer look. Did you know that Kubernetes can automatically scale applications based on traffic demands? Yes, it dynamically allocates resources, ensuring that your applications are responsive and resilient. This right-sizing capability is crucial for modern application deployment. Helm charts are like package managers for Kubernetes. They simplify the deployment process by allowing developers to define, install, and manage applications effortlessly. Using Helm, you can deploy complex applications with a single command. Let's demystify how it works. A Helm chart typically includes all the necessary components such as configuration files, dependencies, and resources required for your application. This means fewer headaches when managing versions and dependencies in your Kubernetes ecosystem. Before we dive deeper into cloud-native deployments, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Your support keeps us going. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of cloud-native deployment with Kubernetes. Deploying applications in a cloud-native way means designing them to take full advantage of the cloud environment. Kubernetes excels in this area, providing capabilities like self-healing, service discovery, and load balancing, which improve application reliability and performance. Real-world applications of Kubernetes are vast, from powering enterprise applications to hosting large-scale websites. Companies like Google, Slack, and Spotify leverage Kubernetes to maintain high availability and scalability. Let's explore some specific examples of how they do it. However, every technology comes with its challenges. Kubernetes can be complex to set up and manage. Issues around security, monitoring, and networking can arise. But fear not. We'll dive into some common problems and solutions to help you navigate your Kubernetes journey. Looking ahead, the future of Kubernetes is bright. With the rise of serverless computing and edge computing, Kubernetes will continue to evolve. Innovations like Kubernetes operators are changing the game by allowing developers to manage applications more intuitively. To recap, we've unraveled the essential elements of Kubernetes, from understanding clusters to mastering Helm charts and exploring cloud-native benefits. If you're excited about the future of container orchestration, stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into advanced Kubernetes strategies that can elevate your projects. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Kubernetes. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep orchestrating success.